I purchased 20 pallets of very odd item. Who would have thought they were there? But these are science experiment refill kits. So here we are, my trailer full. This is only half of what I bought. Each one of these they're science experiments that a school would buy. So this company, McGraw-Hill, they sell these kits to schools, and when they purchase these kits, they come with the basic kit, and then they have refills that they send them once a month or so often. I'm guessing once a month, I don't know. So this particular kit, it says it's the sun and earth surface and weather. And then it comes with all this stuff. Like, all right, there's some cardboard tubes, bottle of sunscreen, some nature print paper. It's supposed to make nature print, I don't know. Paper plates, tape, a bunch of pans, aluminum pans, some ribbon, pipe cleaners, plastic wrap, aluminum foil, plastic cups, soil, potting soil, some solar UV beads, rocks, and sand. I had to rent a storage locker. So this is a 10 by 30 locker I rented, and I'm gonna load everything into this locker. I'm gonna go back to the auction, pick up another load. But here's the big news, 20 pallets. I paid a grand total of $10. I paid $5 for one lot. I had 12 pallets. I paid another $5 for another lot that had 8 pallets. Each one of these kits, this company, they sell these kits for $10,000 per kit to a school, $10,000. So my idea is that nobody even wanted them. I was the only bidder. I bid $5, nobody else even bid against me. I don't even know what all these, they have different kinds of kits in them. I know there's one that had like dish soap and I don't even know what. So anyways, later on I'll go through some of these kits and I'll show you what was in each one of them. My plan is to try to market these to maybe homeschool places. There's a bunch of companies that sell homeschool supplies. Maybe I can sell each one of these kits to somebody, even if it's like $5 a kit. Look how many of them are on here. I mean, there's hundreds, and I don't even know, what is this thing? This thing's got some boards on it or something, I don't know. Anyways, so, and I got a bunch of other stuff from the auction. I'll show you that too. I made some conga deals on the other, but this is the first part of it, and I gotta hurry up and unload these because I gotta go and make one more trip just to give you look how many of those things there are. Crazy, right? Anyways, so I'll show you more here in a bit. All right, just got back with the second load. It goes on pretty fast at the auction, but boy, it takes a long time to unload all this one box at a time. So, second trailer, the first trailer took me like 2 hours to unload. All right, this is all of the first trailer. This is, I think it's 10 pallets worth. It's all in here. And I put it all in here and organized it by the kit. So I know exactly of how many of each one I have. Yeah, hopefully I'm gonna be able to move them. What I found is a lot of these kits, they have like 8-pack of D batteries in a lot of them. A bunch of them have like bottles of Dawn dish soap. I opened up each one. I've actually kept one of them aside here. That's each one of those. And I'm gonna take each one of those home with me because I'm like 3 hours away from home. I'm gonna leave all the storage unit loaded once I get all this in here, take these home. Then I can really go through them, figure out how I'm gonna advertise them, see if I'm gonna sell them to schools or I don't know what. Or I'm gonna strip them down, just take all the batteries. And a lot of these have packages of potting soil and seeds and little cups and things so the kids can grow stuff. I could just take all the little bags of potting soil out and keep them all, but we'll see. All right, so there is the last of them loaded in. Almost last of them. There's a few on my trailer still, but this just gives you an idea of how many there are in here. There's so many of these dang things. It's crazy. I am so worn out. Been loading these things all day. I could have fit them in here, but I'm tired, so There's still there's 2 pallets there in the middle full, and 2 pallets on the end. Then on my last trip, I picked up these here are 1 gallon cans of citrus. Oh, the label's gone. They're citrus based cleaners. Oh, there we go. It's all citrus Clean Warrior, new citrus cleaner degreaser. So there's 2 pallets of that. I paid $90 for 1 pallet and $100 for the other pallet. And there are 3, so that's 9. There's almost 30 cases. Each case has 4 gallons in it, times 2. So that degreaser, those bottles I looked up on Amazon, they sell for like 28-ounce bottles, sell for $29 a bottle. And there are nearly 30 cases times 4 1-gallon jars or containers of that. $90 for one, $100 for the other one. That was a sweet deal. And then I picked up I loaded up all the extra pallets, take those home. And then I picked up some stuff, a couple things, some poof ottoman things my wife wanted, case of electric light boxes, a wheelchair for my mother-in-law, my wife bought. In that box up front is a brand new microwave, an Echo Edger attachment. And this thing here is a scale, it's a pallet scale. I paid like $6 for this pallet scale. I should be able to sell it for like $300 to $400. And under this box, I bought a box of several DeWalt 20-volt cordless, and then even 1 Milwaukee. And I use all Milwaukee stuff. And then in this back door here, I bought, that was another tool. And then I bought like 60 of these iPad Pro 12.9 inch. They're keyboard cases for the 2019, 2020 model year iPad Pros. These, I didn't pay nothing. I bought like $5 per 3-pack. And these go on eBay for somewhere around $20 a piece. So I'm just gonna list them all out on eBay. A couple ultrasonic or ultra, that's not the word. No, what's the word? They're disinfectant cleaners. They have like UV lights in them. It was like $5, so I bought them. And what else is hiding in there? That's basically it. There's a little case of 4 flush-mounted recessed LED lights. I got those for $5. Almost everything I bought was like $5. That's why I bought a lot of random things, because it's like, oh, that's $5, I'll buy it. Oh, that's $5 or $5.50 or $6. Anything else hiding in here? My wife wanted these ottoman things, so I think she paid a little bit more for them. But anyways, I'm exhausted. I left my house at 4:30 this morning. I was in Phoenix at the auction at 8. Started loading, made 1 trip here to the storage unit, unloaded the whole trailer, went back to the auction, loaded it all up again, came back here, loaded all but 4 pallets because I was running out of time. I had to be back at the auction by 3 o'clock to finish all my loadout. So left 4, the ones on the back here, these 4, I left them on the trailer, just went back to the auction, loaded up all the other stuff, and got here, unloaded a few pallets off the front, cleaned up all this room, loaded up the pallets, gonna take them back. I still got another 3-hour, maybe a little more with traffic now on my way home. It's now 5:42 in the evening, and I've got a 3-hour-ish drive back home. So I'm exhausted. I'm super tired, but did really well. I think I paid about $550 total for everything I bought today. I don't know a lot about these science kits, how they're gonna work out, but a ton of these kits have like 12 packs of D batteries in them. A lot of them have little cubes of modeling clay. They have aluminum foil and saran wrap and little bottles of dish soap, and they also have sand in them and rocks, but they are experiment kits, right? So some of these boxes weigh like 20 pounds each box, and there was a few of these that there's like 25 of just one. Well, I mean, look how many there are of just that. That's all one kit right there. Luckily, those weren't too heavy. These only weighed probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 pounds a piece, but some of these guys weighed, like these boxes right here, maybe getting too dark to see them, but these boxes here, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 times 3, 36 of these boxes. Those boxes are heavy as heck. They probably weigh 25 plus pounds. I mean, 25 pounds, not that much, until you move all these and you load all these, and then you throw those on top, and I'm shoving them up, trying to stack them high and make as much room as I can. So anyways, I'll let you know how things roll out here. When I get home, I'm gonna try to test that pallet scale, make sure it's good to go. Those DeWalt tools, I'm gonna sell the DeWalt stuff. I use Milwaukee, but there was one Milwaukee in there, that's why I bought it. They all have batteries on them, so I'm gonna sell those DeWalts. I'm gonna list all those iPad Pro cases and start getting those things moving. I'm gonna start listing out these citrus cleaner degreasers and see if I can get those start moving. But yeah, I mean, I did fantastic. It'll take me a little while, but I mean, I may make half of what I spent today when I sell that pallet scale. And things like that sell pretty easily. So anyways, all right. Well, there was a long day at the auction.